Welcome. This video is a slideshow presentation from the Unicon series of informational slideshows. This presentation will provide a brief high-level overview of Unicon. Unicon performs platform migrations. We move the business applications that run on one type of computer platform to run on a different type of computer platform. For over 30 years, we have worked exclusively in performing platform migration projects. The company has its roots in the mid-1970s in Sydney, Australia. The name Unicon Conversion Technologies originates from 1985, when operations began in Ottawa, Canada. The company moved operations to Southern California and was incorporated in California in 1992. Our offices are in Mission Viejo, which is about halfway between Los Angeles and San Diego. Over these 30-plus years, we have performed many migration projects for companies in all areas of the private sector, including insurance, financial, healthcare, retail, distribution, and manufacturing, and for departments in all areas of the public sector, including city, county, state, and federal. Today, most of our migration projects involve migrating mainframe platforms, IBM mainframes, including both CICS and IMS systems, Unisys ClearPath mainframes, including both 2200 and MCP systems, ICL VME mainframes, and Honeywell Bull GCOS mainframes. Over the years, we have also converted DEC VMS, HP 3000, Wang VS, Tandem, and AS400 platforms. The customer can choose to migrate to Unix, Linux, or Windows platforms. The name Unicon is a derivative of Unix conversion, and in the early years, all our projects migrated to Unix platforms. But today, Windows is by far the customer's most chosen platform. The customer can provide the new platform as a standalone server, a VMware virtual server, or it can be provided as a cloud service on Azure or AWS. The migration is not a rehosting or an emulation, and there is no black box middleware in the migrated solution. The migrated application is a true conversion to run on the customer's chosen platform using the customer's chosen component set. The new component set will comprise only the customer's chosen components. Screen mechanisms such as ASPX web forms or Java server pages, programming languages such as Visual COBOL, C# or Java, GSL scripting such as .bat, shell scripts, or Perl, and database such as SQL Server, MySQL, Oracle, or UDB. The components that are used on the customer's current platform will be converted to the components the customer has chosen to use on the new platform. Each project is custom built to meet the exact unique needs of each customer. For example, an IBM CICS application component stack could be converted to a Windows component stack as follows. This is a very typical IBM CICS component stack. The programs are IBM COBOL. The user screens are provided by BMS maps running in a CICS region. The data is stored in vSAN files. These files are accessed by index I/O statements in the COBOL programs. This is a very typical Windows component stack migrated from that IBM component stack. The programs are converted to Visual COBOL. The BMS maps are converted to ASPX web forms running under IIS. The vSAN data files are converted to SQL Server relational tables. The new Visual COBOL programs are modified to access the SQL Server tables instead of the vSAN files. And the new Windows .NET application is maintained in Microsoft's Visual Studio. All this conversion effort is performed by Unicon's automated migration tools. We refer to this process as component conversion. We have the conversion tools to convert the customer's current platform components to the customer's chosen new platform components. In this example, the customer wanted to move the applications from his IBM mainframe to Windows. But this is only an example of the many different migration projects that Unicon has performed, each one tailored to meet the unique needs of each customer. You may not know Unicon, but I feel sure you know many of our platform migration customers. After 30 plus years, that list is quite long. Here are just a few more examples. Thank you for viewing this video. I hope it has been useful. If you would like to see any of the other Unicon informational videos, please contact us and tell us which subject or subjects you would like to see.